Afternoon, Bob. Trade Genius here, the 30th of May. Let me blast through the charts. I first want to say today was boring. Just really getting sad. But financials are rolling over, so I can't imagine SPY hanging on there with the financials coming down. And we're getting an inflection here, so I'm going to take a look at tomorrow. Maybe ultra short on financials and buy some puts on it, and just make sure today's not a head fake. Let's take a look here. Oh, wrong one. Sorry about that. That looks pretty good. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna buying some puts on FAS tomorrow. So I think it's a good one to take a shot at. VXX flat. There's nothing really there today. SPY, it's just unbelievable to me. They just grinded to zero and then it kind of drifted off at the end of the day. GDX, they pushed down 1.5%. It's back below the 100. It still looks like consolidation to me. So I added to my silver wheaten position. And First Majestic's doubled up. And so we're just going to have to wait and see if I'm going to be rewarded on that or not. IWM puts are doing fine. I got the 135.50s. I sold the 135.50s for this Friday. My long put position is for the following Friday. So I'm just going to try to monetize some of this move in case they just hang it up here the rest of the week. But it looks like it's rolling over as well. And so we have to take a look at some ultra shorts on the small cap as well, and get to that in a sec. UEXY, Apple, we got 150 put on there, but it's just dead money. I mean, it's amazing. So, but if SPY goes, Apple will be one of the things charging it down. So it's as much a lottery ticket as anything else. The XLE is still drifting off. It's getting down there where it's pretty oversold right now, though, so I wouldn't be taking a shot here. It may flush, but I think it's going to get a bounce before it rolls over again. XIV, just so nervous trying to play this right now, but I guess you just should buy a little bit every day until it punishes you like it did on the 17th. Talk miners. UNG, I knew it was getting weak. I talked about it the weekend, but man, what a heck of a gap down. Just couldn't even chase it. Amazing. And I think it'll now probably get a little bit of a bounce, short that bounce. We're going into the season now where it's going to get pretty benign for natural gas until midsummer. Talk nugget. SLV was positive all day today. That's what kind of gave me some courage to add to my miners. I don't know. There's something going on there, but that's getting bid. And so silver miners will go with silver price at some point here. XLK, nice little last red bar there. But again, just pushed up Amazon over 1,000. It's just amazing. Gold, solid. Dust, like I said, I have my dust puts. And I'm expecting dust to roll over again. And so I'm just kind of waiting on it underneath the 100. If I got to roll it over for next Friday, I will. 13th and 14th is the Fed meeting. So I don't think it really matters what they do or say at this point, because if they raise rates, it will be the last. If they don't raise rates, then people are going to get really scared. Biotech pushed down pretty hard last couple days. There's GLD, UCO. I think oil's ready to roll over again. Had a weird day today. It went down overnight. Caught a little bit. Caught a little bit of the counter trend move, and then we had got stoned at the 100-day moving average. So those in UCO puts, just relax. Oil's going lower. Real estate's holding on that 100, and I think a lot is going to depend on what the Fed does next week. But I think bonds are getting bid, like I said, this weekend. So I think it's going to give real estate a bit of a bid until they start losing money on the revenue side. Here's the Amazon chart. Here's First Majestic. ERX. I think I sold out $2 too early, but had a great trade. You know, the way the markets start to crush the shorts, you know, you get a big move down, you just have to take it. With oil again. Mosaic's dead. Wheaton. So, of Silver Wheaton fame. Here's I add to it. I'm up to 2,000 shares, and I have a naked put on another 1,000. And just have to see, you know, this is a double whammy. Silver price is up, and bond yields down is very, very bullish for WPM. And I think we're setting up for another move higher here. SH, talked oil. TWM, we're in TWM, grinding higher. I think small caps are in big trouble. There's the dollar, kind of flattish today. Natural gas, beautiful move. Look at, there's drip. We got a drip, the same thing with ERX. DBA, we've now full position in DBA, and it kind of bounced off of that, so which is encouraging. The dollar goes, the ags are going to fly higher. The yen was up. You think the market would be down more. Coffee got a bid, but it's getting stoned here at the at its VWAP. So if you caught that move, you might want to hop off and see if it pushes over to 100, so you can get on the other side of it. But it's been holding it back all along. Wheat. So wheat's at a point now where, you know, gets to 650 is kind of the lowest ever. Farmers are not planting anymore, and some farmers can't plant. So, you know, this is like the safest risk reward trade you can make. Is if you have, you know, longer term horizon, you can load up, you know, catch $1 or $2 move. You know, I think that's definitely in the cards. Here's the other thing too, is with sugar. I don't know what did after hours, but man, it's just crazy. These gap downs. You know, one thing happened in the climate, which is interesting, is that they're talking to a pretty big El Nino event was forming, and in 30 days it totally disappeared and went very cold. I'm just telling you, these climate guys do not know what the heck is coming at them. You know, their models are not prepared for what they're going to see. And they're astounded. They thought, here comes another El Nino, blah, 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 global warming. Now, Peru, it is ice cold. And so all that rain, they thought they're going to get another early and huge El Nino. It's not happening. So I don't know what it means in terms of how it's going to affect the weather, because everything's been so screwed up. But it's not good, and maybe sugar's reacting to that, because sugar does well in El Nino years, not in La Nina years. There's the biotech, and that's going to make a great short here pretty soon, because they can't resist themselves in terms of finding things to whack the shorts on, and they'll go after biotech again. But this will be probably another $2 or $3 move like ERX was. There's corn, still in that range, almost ready for a, you know, buy there for a point. Cold, what a move in cold. 26 to 31 in a week. Pretty good. This is JJG. Again, this thing's pushing down. It's at the bottom. They wheat's doing actually okay, but so I guess soybeans really getting hit pretty hard. Waiting to buy SILJ. Real estate is VVIX was kind of mild. VIX was kind of mild to up a little bit, but didn't move anything or help us at all. 2.21% to 10-year. I'm telling you, everybody is seeing a collapse except for SPY. Amazing. And then I'm going to show you TNA, see if that's ready for puts. Yeah, probably. So if you want to take a look at TNA, and you want to take a look at FAS for puts, they're definitely signaling on my system to as a high risk reward trade. Anyways, Bob for Trade Genius. We'll catch you later. And the day trading money machine killed it again today. I didn't trade as aggressively as I could and still made $410. Some guys traded the gasoline markets today and they killed it. Especially if you're an East Coaster, you catch some of that early movement volatility that us West Coasters are just stumbling into when we wake up. But definitely it's worth what I charge you for it to get it. These guys are making their money the first day or two trading it. And so just check it out, thetradegeniusacademy.com. Go to tips and tricks, see day trading money machine, grab it. It's still on sale to the end of the month, and it's going to go back up to $500. And then I'm probably at the end of June, I'm probably going to double that price again because we're going to add some features to it. So might as well get in now so you can probably get grandfathered. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.